Here's the app called ClipTone Ringtone Maker. One of the best ringtone maker apps. Um, this is app to create a ringtone. This is not to create full on like AI music. So bring your favorite songs to life as custom ringtones with ClipTone. This powerful app lets you effortlessly extract audio from any video and transform it into personalized ringtone. Choose your favorite part of a song, a memorable movie line, or a unique sound, and turn it into a custom ringtone in just few simple steps. Easy audio extraction, precise editing tools, 3 minute just the audio clip to capture exactly what you want. One tap ringtone setting, user friendly interface. So yeah, you can just, let's try to install it in here. 3-day free trial is offered, after which users can choose between monthly and yearly plan. So here you have it. Make ringtone from video. Then you can just tap a button to create a ringtone, to add a ringtone. Then you can upgrade, custom edit audio editing. So basically seems you can do audio extraction, just direct integration, custom audio editing. One-time offer, there is a nice discount, by the way. So if you do not upgrade, you can get $25 per year deal. So here is, you can then just open it up. I don't know, like, so here is, basically you just need to have a video, or you add a YouTube link or whatever, and you can create your own ringtone from that. So that's the idea. I thought this would be like some AI ringtone maker, so seems not yet, but then yeah, you can create alert, just alert or ringtone, and ringtone is just extracts 40 seconds. Alert it just extracts 8 seconds, and then you can set ringtone here in the bottom. So that's basically the idea of the app. You can then also how to install it. So set ringtone, select GarageBand, touch and hold your ringtone, choose share from menus, tap ringtone, export your ringtone, tap user sound as, choose one of the option. So that's basically the idea. So there you have it.